Bontac was founded in July 2012. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales, with enzyme catalysis as the core biosynthetic technology. There are 6 major series of products in Bontac, involving coenzymes, natural products, sugar substitutes, cosmetics, dietary supplements, and medical intermediates. As the pioneer of NMN industry, Bontac is the first manufacturer to launch NMN mass production with the first whole enzyme catalysis technology around the world. At present, Bontac has become the leading enterprise in niche areas of coenzyme products. Notably, Bontac is the NMN raw material supplier of David Sinclair team, who uses the raw materials of Bontac in a paper titled Impairment of an Endothelial NAD plus-minus H2S signaling network is a reversible cause of vascular aging. Our coenzyme products are widely used in fields such as nutritional health, biomedicine, medical beauty, daily chemicals, and green agriculture. Bontac adheres to independent innovation with more than 170 invention patents. Bontac has undertaken lots of government key technology projects at provincial and municipal level. What's more, Bontac has established the first coenzyme engineering technology research center at the provincial level in China, which also is the sole in Guangdong province. Bontac will focus on its advantages of green, low-carbon, and high-value added biosynthesis technology, and build ecological relationship with academia as well as upstream/downstream partners, continuously leading the synthetic biological industry and creating a better life for human beings.